This side, everyone. Sudarshan, send them this side. Wasim, send them this side.
On that side, Wasim. Keep up.
Go inside the yellow box. Everyone go inside the yellow box. Inside the yellow box. Okay, and stop. Balls on the floor. Now we're going to start with the competition, okay? You have how much ever time you want. Once you start juggling, if you lose the ball, you come outside and stand. Last one standing is the winner. Okay? Got it? Spread out inside the yellow box. Find your space. When I say start, you can start. You have to put it down and take it. Okay? Ready? And start. You lose the ball, you come out. Don't cheat.
Shriman first. Karthik, Sayyad, Abhijit, Vishal, Faizan out. Vinod out.
Wasim's out.
Hari out.
It's 1 versus 1.
Push.
Okay. And stop. Get back in, everyone, quick. Now it's the same competition. Only one rule, okay? You cannot pick up the ball like this, simply. You have to use some other skill to pick up the ball. Okay?
Pick up the
So
ball.
it can be like this. It can be anything else. You can maybe even do this and pick up, but not a simple pickup. Not like this. Okay? Understood? Now you have 2 chances. You juggle, you lose the ball, start again. Understood? So you have 2 chances. Ready? And start.
Sir just said you cannot pick the ball like that. Do something else.
If you're out, you can come outside and juggle.
Present.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, keep going. Hizin is doing his 4th or 5th chance, I think.
Present, huh? You can try. You do, but come out of the ball.
Both your chances over? Yeah? Okay, and get back in.
Get in.
Okay, now just spread out. We'll do a little bit of coordination. Okay, now it's going to be very simple. You throw the ball up and then you try to catch it behind you. Okay, understood? You try to catch it behind you, that's it. Very simple. Throw it up and then you try to catch behind you. Start. We do it only for 30 seconds.
Keep doing it. Don't worry if the ball drops. Do it for 30 seconds.
Very good.
Now, Abhijit.
Okay, and we stop. Next you try to do this. Throw it up, down and catch. Okay, start. Catch it behind. Down, up and then catch. Down, up and then catch.
Throw it high, touch, and then catch.
Last 10 seconds. Just try to do it, okay? Okay, stop. Last one. Okay, you throw it up, down, and then you catch it with your thing and start juggling again. Okay, just try. Start.
Good.
So when you control it, try to make at least 2 or 3 juggles.
After 3 juggles, I have to start it.
If you can keep doing, keep doing. Yeah. Okay, and stop. I want one person on this line with the ball, one person on this line with the ball. Come quick. Anyone. One more on that line, one more on that line.
Someone over here. Someone over here. With the ball.
With the ball, yeah?
With the ball.
I want one person on that full line over there, one person out. One more outside there. Others, you can stay inside. Okay, those inside, just kick your ball out. One person only on that line. If you want to come in, put your ball out and come in. Only one person on that line, you can come in.
Okay, then you the ball.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, come in. Okay, it's very simple warm up. Pick the ball up in your hand. First one, we use your inner foot. I go, ball. Pass it back. Ball. Pass it back. Okay? We do for 20 seconds. Now, very important thing. One, you do right leg. The next one, you go do your left leg. Okay? Very simple. Pass back. Start.
Look. Go.
Only your side foot. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Switch. Switch. Switch fast. Ready? Now I want to hear you talk. If you don't ask for the ball, don't give the ball. Okay? It has to be ball. Okay? Pass. Start.
Right.
Boys, communicate. Use your mouth. Use your eyes. Very good, Wasim. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Switch.
Switch. Please outside, get in now.
Now we use our lace part. Okay, I go ball. Okay, lace part, and then I go ball. My left leg, lace part. Okay. Now it's very important how you serve the ball. Okay, help your teammate. If he says left, give it to the left foot. If he says right, give it to the right foot. Ready? Now I want you to count how many you do. 1, 2, count. Okay. 15 seconds, and we start. Talk. Open your mouth and talk. Use your lace part. Okay.
Right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. How many did you do? 8. Anyone more than 8? More than 8, anybody?
Are you
Not counted.
or not?
You have to count. Switch quickly.
President has lost the count.
Make sure you count, okay? Boys, switch. Who's here? I need 2 people here. Yaru ulla panninglo vello. Just come out and do it here now. Were you outside or inside last time? Who was inside?
There's one odd one also, someone has to go.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, ready? And start. Very good. I want to see you talk. Very good, Karthik. Meet the ball properly, okay? That's good.
Bhavan, watch the ball.
If you have the ball, lift it up and show. Okay, so that someone comes to you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Okay, switch, 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 switch. Make sure every time you switch, we have 6 on the outside, 5 on the inside, okay? Now it's very simple. I ask for the ball, give it to my thigh. I control with my thigh, pass it back. Right, ball, left, pass it back, okay? Ready, start, 15 seconds.
Yeah.
I want you to count. I want you to count how many you do. Very good, very good.
Right.
Very good. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Switch, 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 switch. Ready? Ready and start. He has to ask. You have to ask right or left. Whoever is receiving the ball, ask.
Left.
Proper serve, okay? Help your teammate.
No, again.
Loop it up. Okay? Just try to. Yes, here. Loop it up so that he's able to control it and do it, okay? Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Switch. Okay, now we move on to the chest. I go, ball, loop it up high. Okay, I control my chest and I pass it. Okay, ready? Make sure you open up your arms with your chest. Can someone show demo? I can't because of. Okay, watch. Your service has to go up. Okay, so just loop it up, chest, and pass it. Okay, if you're not comfortable with the ball which I gave, ask for a better one. Okay, ready? And start.
Yeah.
Open up your body. Okay, open up. Use your arms. Not like this. Watch, not like this. Okay, so open up and receive. Use your arms, receive. Yes, very good. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Switch. Ready? Start. Karthik, open your arms. Okay. Very good.
Again. Yeah. Pass.
Watch. Not like this. Open up. Okay. Watch him. Bhavan, can you show? Yeah. Watch him. You see his arms? Yes. Try that. Kai இப்படியே இருக்கு பாரு. Kai open up. Very good. Good try. Make sure you serve the ball properly, okay? Make it easy for your teammate. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Okay, last one. What will be the last one? Okay, now it's going to be a little bit different. Watch. Okay, now I go, I touch the ball, and I head it. Okay, so I'm running forward, backwards, and head it. Okay, understood? Did you switch? Okay, and start. Very good. Make sure if he's tall, you put it more up for him. Okay. Serve it a little higher. Okay. I want you to go a little higher. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. If you have a tall teammate, you put it higher for him. Okay? Understood? Ready? And start. Okay, very good. Look around, don't hit into each other. You have to look around.
Very good. You have to go up.
Okay, and stop, switch. Now balls on the floor, outside, keep the balls down. Okay, now I'm going to go ask for the pass. On the floor, make a good pass like this. Okay, pass. Okay, to my right leg. Okay, pass. I lift it up and pass it back. Okay, very simple, pass. Okay, I lift it up and pass it back. That's it. Okay, just one small lift and pass it. You can use left, right leg, your wish. Ready? And start.